You can do a lot online. Shop, watch TV, check the weather. But can you replace your eye doctor? Nope. Online eye exams aim to assess your vision correction needs, but they may not be very accurate. Additionally, online exams don't replace other parts of a regular eye examination. Your doctor assesses your eye health through comprehensive eye exams, letting them spot early signs of conditions such as glaucoma, diabetes, and even tumors. An eye exam from your doctor will also test for color blindness, depth perception, and proper eye movement. Don't cut corners when it comes to your eye health. Schedule your comprehensive eye exam with us today.